So what do you do to prep? What do you do to get ready for an event? This is Bill, this is Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of it. And I'm backstage right now at a place in Minneapolis for a big opening a presentation for a corporation. There's a stage show, there's dancers, there's firewalkers, there's all kinds of cool things that are about to happen, and I'm the MC. And about 3 minutes I have to take the stage. I don't know about you, but I get a little sweaty, I get a little bit of stuff going in, you know, and worried. The nerves still happen. It's just that now I have to grab them. And instead of using the words "I'm nervous," the best way to get past it for me is "I'm excited." Words matter, and when you say things like "you're nervous," that's very, very negative, and it'll keep you nervous. But the same experience physically happens to you when you're excited. So instead of "I'm nervous, I'm nervous, I'm nervous," it's for me is "I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited." So there's a lot of people waiting, and I'm backstage right now. In a few moments I'm going to do all this stuff. So until that happens, just remember, use the words "I'm excited." Don't use the words "I'm nervous." I'm nervous, that messes with you. Excited means something different, right? Excited means I'm excited. You can be positive. You can hit the stage the way you gotta hit the stage. So think about that next time. And if you have a way that you stay in the moment and you have a way to get ready for an event, let me know what that is. Put it in the subject below, and I'll tell you more about how this goes. You can see there's a lot of people waiting. So I'm Bill, this is Creative License, and I'll see you next time. Bye.